I'm going to show you how you could show someone your screen. So how you could capture your screen and then send it to someone so they could see it. And this is going to be pretty simple. It's the easiest system I've found that you can use to capture your screen and then also send it to someone so they could see exactly the problems you're having. And one of the reasons why you might want to use this is if you're in business online and you encounter, say, a problem that you want someone to look at, that you have a screen or your back office or whatever it might be, you can use this software to capture the screen that you're on, and even make notes on the screen to show them exactly where you're having the problem, and they can see exactly where you're having your problem and actually help you troubleshoot it. Another thing might be, if you just want to share files with people, show them what's happening with your information or what's happening with your business or what's happening, just generally. You could copy your screen or print a capture of your screen and send it to anyone, whether it be friends and family, business partners. But what I like this tool for particularly is to share this information with people in my business, that I could capture things and show them. And this is a great tool if someone's having a problem. They could capture their screen as well and send it up to get some help of how to troubleshoot things. So the program that I use that I really like to capture screen is called Lightshot, and you'll see it right here. It's called Lightshot, and you could download it for Windows or Mac. So you could search for it on Google, and I'll actually have it up on a Google search here, and you'll see it's Lightshot. When you go on this link, it actually brings up Lightshot like this, and it mentions that you could download it for Windows or the Mac. So just go ahead and hit the download link. It'll download it to your computer. Once it downloads to your computer, you'll see a little icon like this. It puts a little icon there with a little feather. If you don't see a little icon with a feather, what you could do is go to your start menu. So when you go to your start menu, just go ahead, and when it opens up program files, just type in the word Lightshot and it will find it for you on your system. So either we'll put a little feather on there, and I think it will for you because it did for me in the background on my computer, or if you don't find it, just go ahead, hit the start button. It'll bring up a box and just hit the word Lightshot and it'll find it. So once you download Lightshot to your computer, you go to that little feather, wherever that little feather is on your computer, just click on it. And I'm actually going to take you down to mine so you can see my little feather here. So this is my little feather. That's where it puts it. I pinned it to the sidebar there, so it pinned it there. So that's where it is. So if I click on this little feather right now, so I click on it, it darkens the screen, which allows me to, you see it says select area. So it allows me to select an area that I want. So that's where it would go. Now I actually don't want that area, so I'll hit the escape button and I'll try it again. So I hit the little feather, it darkens the screen, and this would allow me to copy whatever area I want. So I want to get the word Lightshot in, we'll just take that spot. So this is the area that will be printed. So now you could do lots of things. You can add text to it. It allows you to add text. So you could type things in. So if you're having a problem, you could definitely, make some notation like with an arrow here. So you get an arrow, and you could then add a text. So you add the text, say, I'm having problems here. So you could type different things to alert someone what you're having, or you want them to look at this. So you could say look at that. You could put big markers here. You could cross things out if you want. Highlight things. Make notation. You could do undo if you don't want that in there. So there's quite a few things that you're able to do. One of my favorite really is using the arrow system, point to directly what I want people to see, and then add in a text. And by just adding a text, you just click on the T and just add a text. So that's pretty much how simple it is. Now, when you want to share this, and that's the key thing, because a lot of software out there allows you to maybe capture your screen, but if you capture your screen and you have no way of sharing it really easily, it's pointless. So I'm going to show you a quick way of how to share this. So you copy your screen. You could do it a couple of ways. You could either save it, you could copy it, You could print it. It will print to your computer. Um, Google, I've never used that function. Or you share it in social networks, or you could upload it. Now, when you hit the upload button, that's the way I like to share it. I hit the upload button, and what it does, and this is really cool, it gives you a link right away. So you're able to copy that link and just paste it to an email. So once you copy that link, and I'll actually hopefully get you to see this. When it's finished uploading, it says it gives you a link right here. All you need to do is just copy this link. So highlight it and copy it and just paste it to your email. Once you paste that link to your email, when someone clicks on it, and I'll just go to a different browser here and let you see that if I enter that link into the browser, paste it and go, what you're going to see is the image that we capture, which is really, really cool. So no longer do you have to save it to your computer hard drive and then go find it as an attachment and then upload it. No, you just pretty much upload it. It gives you URL address, and you just copy that URL address, put it in your email, and someone could see exactly what you're taking that picture of. So you could do this multiple times with multiple screenshots. I definitely recommend you use it for your business to help you troubleshoot. If you have a problem and someone in your group could help you solve that problem, that you capture your screen and send it to them. That if you want to show someone something that's happening really good in your business, that you're able to create something like this, put notations on it, and actually create a link and just put in your email. So no longer do you have to go searching for it on your download to see where it is. So go ahead and download Lightshot, whether you're using Mac or Windows. I'm on a Windows PC. So download the version that's good for you, and then once you have it, it's as simple as clicking on the icon that says Lightshot, making a notation of where you want the screen to capture it, making some notations on it if you want to make notations, and simple screens here, so there's not too much for you to worry about. And then go ahead and hit the upload button. Once you hit upload, it's just going to create a website link for you. You just copy that link and paste it to your email, and you are set. So hopefully you found this helpful. Go ahead and use it for your business now.